was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do-do-do-do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do, do-do-do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked, oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! 4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, "Call, come out and play." Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. 3 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. 2 baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the 4th baby shark, laughing non-stop. 1 baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all 5 baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! 5 baby sharks hiding